Got it tight enough?
I hope so. I don't go upside down to her.
He does, but you don't.
Oh.
Oh no!
Keep your head back, guys. Camera's gonna be recording you the whole time.
I'm already feeling the gut. Ben and Jerry's might repeat on me.
Oh, thanks.
They're going 80 meters into the air, guys.
80 meters.
60 kilometers an hour.
God.
You ready?
No.
Yeah.
Okay.
What did I do? Oh, those cables don't look strong.
You don't need to do bungee jumping.
That's oh my god. Oh. And I'm just thinking as it you know takes off that the thing's just gonna go. That's scary.
Wait to the camera. This
Oh,
camera.
is the camera? Oh.
How's that, guys?
Yeah.
Good?
Scary. Hey?
Guys want to go again for $10 each?
Nah,
Nah.
we'll go to the Vomitron.
No? Alright, get your seatbelts there, please.